Hey, just doing a quick check-in. We are June, first week of June here, and one of the things I wanted to find out is how's your goals doing? What's everybody doing? How is it looking for us? And one of the reasons I'm asking that question is the law of the rubber band and the law of the rubber band. And the reason I'm asking that is this. Are you on track for your goals? If you are, what I might challenge you to do is find a way to maybe stretch those a bit. Or are you past your goals? Definitely try to find a way to grow those goals. Or better yet, if you're doing good and you need to find something else to do, you're in a good rhythm. I'm not saying change those rhythms, but I'm finding find something to stretch yourself by. Uh, One of the things that I have always found for myself to be extremely true is that if I am not stretching, I am not growing, and it becomes a huge challenge for us. So we get comfortable, we do things, we get moving. Or worse, you don't do much. Uh, for me, I know with the training, with the MRED stuff that I'm doing now, the MLS training, I'm good. It's consistent, but it's not enough to get me to the next level. And I've gotten a little complacent. So when things get low, I get stressed, I get tense. So I'm always trying to add things. I added John Maxwell a few years ago. I've added a couple of Paul Martinelli things in the recent years. I'm always trying to do things to keep myself challenged and going. And the other thing is if I am not doing something to challenge myself, I am not keeping myself busy. And if I am not keeping myself busy, I'm definitely not productive. And I don't mean you got to keep busy just to have busy work. I am meaning keep yourself busy. So let me ask you again, how are you stretching yourself? Find ways to move, find ways to motivate yourself, find ways to get that job done. Keep yourself going, know where you need to go, know where you need to grow, and find ways to get there. And as always, if you need some of that help, let me know.